Morning children, welcome to class 2 computers. Children, this is our computer book IT Planet My Bits and Bytes computer series 2. Children, in our previous video we were doing chapter 6, that is input and output devices. We had completed input devices. Children, today we will read output devices and then we'll do book exercises. So children, before starting the chapter, we will revise what we did in our previous video. So children, we were doing chapter 6, that is input and output devices. So children, as we know, computer is made by man. It is known as man-made machine. So children, we also know that computer cannot perform any work itself. In order to do any work on computer, we need to give some instructions to the computer. So children, the set of instructions that we give to computer to perform any work is called input. So children, input is the set of instruction which we give to the computer to perform any work. And children, the device used to give these instructions are called input device. So children, in our previous video we studied about input and input devices, and today we are going to read about output and output devices. So let us revise what we did in our previous video and then we will proceed further in the chapter. So children, here as we know कि कंप्यूटर मैन ने बनाया है, वो अपने आप कोई भी काम नहीं कर सकता जब तक कि हम उसे इंस्ट्रक्शंस नहीं देंगे, वो कोई काम नहीं कर सकता. तो चिल्ड्रन, इन ऑर्डर टू मेक टू डू एनी वर्क, कोई भी काम करने के लिए, इसलिए हमें पहले उसे कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शंस देने पड़ते हैं और उन्हीं इंस्ट्रक्शंस के बेसिस में इट परफॉर्म्स एनी वर्क. एंड दीज इंस्ट्रक्शन, ये जो इंस्ट्रक्शन हम उसे देते हैं या इंफॉर्मेशन हम उसे देते हैं, उसे हम इनपुट कहते हैं. अब इनपुट करने के लिए हमें कुछ डिवाइसेस की ज़रूरत होती है एंड दीज डिवाइसेस आर कॉल्ड इनपुट डिवाइसेस. सो चिल्ड्रन, different types of input devices are keyboard, mouse, joystick, microphone, scanner and web camera. So these were the devices about which we had studied in our previous video. Now children, our today's topic is output devices. So the result that comes after processing is called output. So children, whatever computer performs after getting the instruction, that the result of that performance is called output. जो भी वो करता है हमारे इंस्ट्रक्शंस देने के बाद, उसे हम आउटपुट कहते हैं, और जो फाइनल रिजल्ट होता है दैट इज़ नोन एज आउटपुट. सो हियर चिल्ड्रन, यू कैन सी द रिजल्ट दैट कम्स आफ्टर प्रोसेसिंग इज कॉल्ड आउटपुट. जो भी हम इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते हैं उसकी प्रोसेसिंग होती है एंड आफ्टर द प्रोसेसिंग वी गेट रिजल्ट दैट इज़ कॉल्ड आउटपुट. And similarly children, we use input devices same as in output also. To show the output or result, we need in output devices. These output devices are monitor, because generally whatever is performed by the computer is displayed on the monitor. In our previous video also we studied, in our previous chapter also we studied कि जो भी कंप्यूटर करता है वो सारी चीज़ें वी कैन सी ऑन द मॉनिटर. तो मॉनिटर के ऊपर हमें सारा फाइनल रिजल्ट दिखाई देता है. बट इफ़ वी गेट द सेम रिजल्ट ऑन पेपर थ्रू द प्रिंटर इज़ आउटपुट डिवाइस. एंड इफ़ we get something to hear from the computer, for example song, then speaker is the output devices. So these are the different output devices. Now children, here you can see the complete processing of the computer. First we provide input to the computer, then input is processed by the CPU and we get final result, that is output, and final result is displayed on the screen. So this is the complete process of any work done by the computer. So children, let us see what is output and what are output devices. So children, here are some examples. Making orange juice, we studied that in order to make orange juice we have to give oranges. Oranges are the input and the juicer process the oranges and we get juice. So juicer is the processing unit and the output result is the output. The final result is the juice and this is output. In the same manner children, computer also works. Another example we discussed is grilling a bread. Children, in order to grill a bread, we input bread into the griller, and griller processes, and as output we get toast. So the toast is the final result or the output. This is CPU and this is input. So these are the steps which we follow while working on the computer. Now our next example was children, if you want to calculate any number or add any number on the computer, you have to provide numbers as well as the sign. So here we have input 4 comma plus comma 5 in the form of instruction, and which is known as input, and it is processed by the CPU. It is processed by the CPU. At last we get final result on the monitor, that is 9, and this is output. It is known as output. So here you can see this is the final result, 9 is the final result, and it comes out as a output. So this is the complete processing of the computer. In the same manner computer works. So children, let us see what are these input devices. So children, in our previous video we studied about different input devices, that is keyboard. Keyboard is an input device which is used to enter words and numbers. We input words and number using the keyboard into the computer. So we provide instruction in the form of words and numbers. Then next was mouse. A mouse is also an input device which is used to draw pictures and select object on the computer screen. It is also known as pointing device. Mouse is also known as pointing device. It is also one of the input device because it is used to give instructions to the computer. Then children, next input device is joystick. So children, here is the picture of joystick. It is used to play game. A joystick is also an input device which is used to play games on computer. Using joystick we can play games on computer. While playing games we give instructions using the joystick. Now scanner children. Scanner is another device which is used as input device. A scanner is an input device which is used to copy and send images to a computer. A scanner is an input device which is used to copy and send images to the computer. So children, using the scanner you can copy any photograph, drawing or logos or any document and send it to the computer. It works as a फोटोकॉपियर मशीन. जैसे फोटोकॉपी मशीन कॉपियर मशीन होती है जिसमें हम किसी भी चीज़ की फ़ोटोकॉपी कराते हैं, उसी तरह दिस स्कैनर ऑल्सो वर्क्स एंड स्कैन वॉट एवर वी वॉन्ट टू सेंड टू द कंप्यूटर, वेदर इट इज़ फोटो, ड्राइंग और लोगोज. Then next is microphone. Children, microphone is another input device. It is used to give instructions to the computer in the form of voice. हम voice record करके instructions दे सकते हैं, directly बोल करके भी instructions दे सकते हैं, और it is another input device which is used to give instructions to the computer. Microphone is also an input device. Now web camera children. A web camera is a input device. It is also input device. It captures the pictures or videos and then it stores into the computer, and whenever it is needed we can go through the video and we can store it safely in the computer. So web camera is used to record the videos wherever it is put. Now these were the input devices. So children, once again, input devices. Input, the set of instructions given to the computer to perform any work is called input devices, and the device used to perform device used to give these instructions are called input devices. Children, the set of instructions given to the computer to perform any work is called input, and the device used to give the input is called input devices. For example, keyboard, mouse, joystick, then microphone, then web camera, scanner, all these are the different types of input devices. Now children, our today's topic is output. Children, output and output devices. So children, output is the final result which we get after the processing of input. Whatever input we give to the computer get processed by the CPU. After processing, the final result we get in the form of output. तो जो भी हम इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते हैं वो इंस्ट्रक्शन की प्रोसेसिंग होती है CPU द्वारा, और उसके बाद जो हमको रिज़ल्ट मिलता है, फाइनल रिज़ल्ट मिलता है, वो आउटपुट के फॉर्म में मिलता है। और ये आउटपुट जिस भी डिवाइस के थ्रू मिलता है उसको हम आउटपुट डिवाइसेस कहते हैं. सो चिल्ड्रन, द डिवाइसेस यूज्ड to give the output is called output devices. So children, generally the devices which we use as a output devices, monitor, printer and speaker. वो होते हैं monitor, printer and speaker. Commonly used output devices are monitor, printer and speaker. So children, here is the monitor. A monitor is an output device. Monitor is an output device which is used to display the result on its screen. So children, here is the monitor. This monitor is used to display the result on the screen, and as we have studied in our previous chapter, monitor is also known as video. Monitor को हम video भी कहते हैं. मॉनिटर को हम वीडियो भी कहते हैं. द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ वीडियो इज विजुअल डिस्प्ले यूनिट. द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ वीडियो इज विजुअल डिस्प्ले यूनिट. सो मॉनिटर इज वन ऑफ द आउटपुट डिवाइस विच इज यूज्ड टू डिस्प्ले द रिजल्ट ऑन इट्स स्क्रीन. वॉट एवर वी परफॉर्म ऑन द कंप्यूटर, द फाइनल रिजल्ट इज शोन ऑन द मॉनिटर. Monitor is also known as video. Video means visual display unit. As it does the work of displaying everything, it is known as visual display unit. Now, next is printers. Children, printer is another output device. As you know, whatever we perform on the computer is displayed on the monitor, and if you want to get it printed on the paper, you get it printed on the paper using the printer. अगर हमको किसी चीज़ को पेपर में प्रिंट करना होता है तो हम प्रिंटर को यूज़ करके उसको प्रिंट करते हैं. सो हियर प्रिंटर इज़ द आउटपुट डिवाइस. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, the result that we get on the monitor screen is called soft copy. So children, firstly, whatever result we get is displayed on the monitor. Till it is displayed on the monitor, it is called soft copy, क्योंकि हम उसमें कोई भी चेंज कर सकते हैं, कोई भी कुछ भी एडिट कर सकते हैं, चेंज कर सकते हैं. और लेकिन एक बार अगर वो पेपर पे प्रिंट हो जाता है तो इट बिकम्स हार्ड कॉपी, एंड दिस वी कैन नॉट डू एनी काइंड ऑफ चेंज ऑन द हार्ड कॉपी. सो this is soft copy which is displayed on the screen, and when it gets printed on the paper it is called hard copy, and here we can do any kind of change. Now next one is children, speaker. Speaker is another input device, output device. Speaker is another output device. Children, through speaker you can hear anything from the computer, any sound or any music from the computer. Using the speaker you can hear any kind of music or any sound from the computer. So that means we are getting something from the computer, so it is another output device. Speaker is another output device. So children, these are the commonly used output devices about which we have studied in the chapter, and I hope you must have understood. So with this children, we have come to the end of the chapter. Let us revise what are output devices once again. Output devices, children, the device which is used to give the final result is called output devices. Some commonly used output devices are monitor, printer and speaker. Some commonly used output devices are monitor, printer and speaker. Then children, monitor is an output device which is used to display the result on a screen. So as we know children, whatever is performed by the computer is displayed on the monitor. Firstly, it is displayed on the monitor. So it depends upon our need, whether we want it on the screen or we want it on the paper. So according to our need, we do the work. So children, here whatever is displayed on the monitor, there we can do any kind of changes. So this information is called soft copy, and the information once gets printed on the paper is called hard copy, because we cannot do any kind of change in the hard copy. So here we have two types of information. One is soft copy and the other is hard copy. Here we have two type of information. One which is displayed on the monitor is called soft copy, and the one which we get printed on the paper is called hard copy. So children, here we have two types of information. Now the speaker is another commonly used output device. Using the speaker, children, we can do listen any type of music or any kind of sound. We can listen to the music and any kind of sound. कोई भी sound which we want to hear from the computer, we can hear through the speaker. So we are getting something from the computer. That is why speaker is also an output device. Speaker भी एक output device है. So children, with this we have come to the end of the chapter, and I hope you must have understood the chapter. Now children, next one, self-evaluation. So these are the points which we have studied and understood in the chapter. After reading the chapter, I know that the devices through which we give commands and instructions to a computer are called input devices. So as I told you children, input is something which is given to the computer in the form of commands and instruction. बच्चों, जैसे हम किसी को कुछ करने के लिए ऑर्डर देते हैं या इंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं, उसी तरह कंप्यूटर पे काम करने के लिए हम कुछ कमांड्स देते हैं और इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते हैं. इनको हम इनपुट कहते हैं. और इन्हीं इनपुट को हम जिस डिवाइस से देते हैं, वी नीड अ डिवाइस to give these instructions to the computer is called input devices. जैसे कि अगर हम इसे कीबोर्ड के थ्रू देते हैं तो कीबोर्ड is the input device. If you are giving the instruction using the mouse, then mouse is the input device. And if you are using any other input device, that input device will be the input device. So children, here we have studied about different types of input devices. Firstly, we have studied about keyboard, mouse, joystick, then scanner, then microphone and web camera. These are the devices which are used to give instructions to the computer in the form of words and numbers, or in the form of pictures or photos or videos. So in सारे form में हम instructions देते हैं, and we give this instruction using the different types of input devices. So we agree with this statement, and you will put tick in front of this statement. Now children, second one, I know that keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone and joystick are some examples of input devices. I know that keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone and joystick are some examples of input devices. So we agree with this statement also. So you will put a tick in front of this statement. Now I have learnt that the devices through which we view the result are called output devices. So children, giving instructions to the computer is input, and the devices used is called input devices, and getting result from the computer is called output, and the devices used to give the output is called output devices. So here we will put a tick in front of output. Then next one is, I know that monitor, printer, speaker are some examples of output devices. So children, printer, speaker and are the some examples of output devices. So you will put a tick in front of output devices. So children, let us revise. So children, I know that the device through which we give commands and instructions to the computer are called input devices. We agree with the statement? I know that keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone and joystick are some examples of input devices. I have learnt that devices through which we view the result are called output devices. I know that monitor, printer, speaker are some examples of output devices. So children, with this we have completed self-evaluation also. Let us start our book exercise. So children, our book exercise first question is tick the correct answer. So children, in first question we have different questions and under each question we have different options. So among these options children, only one is right. So you will read the question and tick in the front of the answer which is correct. Now keyboard. Keyboard is an example of dash device. Keyboard is an example of dash device. Input, output, storage. So children, keyboard is an example of input device. As we know, keyboard is used to input words and number into the computer. So keyboard is an example of input device. So you will put a tick in front of input device. Now 2. A dash is used to play games on computer. A dash is used to play games on computer. Scanner, printer and joystick. Scanner is used to copy any document or any photo and send it to the computer, and printer is used to print the information displayed on the monitor, whereas joystick is used to play game on computer. So correct answer is joystick. You will tick in front of joystick. Then children, next question is dash is an input device. Dash is an input device which is used to capture a photograph. Dash is an input device which is used to capture a photograph. So children, microphone is used to speak. It is used to send the recorded voice, or it is used to speak. Webcam is used to capture the photograph, and speaker is used to listen to the music. So here children, webcam is used to capture photograph. So you will put a tick in front of webcam. Now next one children, fourth one. A dash is used to get result on a paper. A dash is used to get result on a paper. So children, printer is used to get result on a paper. So you will put a tick in front of printer. Speaker is used to listen to the music, and video is another name for monitor. Video is used to display any information which we get from the computer or the final result of the processing done by the CPU. So children, here printer is the correct answer. Now let us revise children. Our first question is tick the correct answer. Keyboard is an example of dash device. So children, as we know, keyboard is used to give instructions to the computer in the form of words and numbers. So it is one of the input device, and you will put a tick in front of input device. Now second one children, A. They will put a tick in front of input device. Now a dash is used to play games on a computer. So children, as we know, joystick is used to play games on the computer. So you will put a tick in front of joystick. Joystick is used to play games on a computer. So you will put a tick in front of joystick. Dash is an input device which is used to capture a photograph. That dash is an input device which is used to capture a photograph. So here children, you will tick in front of webcam, because webcam is a device which is used to capture a photograph. Now fourth one, a dash is used to get the result on a paper. A dash is used to get the result on a paper. So children, whatever is displayed on the monitor, if you want to get it on a paper, you have to get it printed using the printer. That is why printer is the answer here. So a printer is used to get result on a paper. So children, with this we have completed question number A. Now let's start question number B. Question number B, children, name the following. Here some statements are given. We are going to read it and write the name. The instructions we give to the computer. The instructions we give to the computer is input. So here you will write input. Whatever instructions we give to the computer is called input. So here you will write input. The result we get from the computer is, the result we get from the computer is, the result we get from the computer is called output. After giving the input, it gets processed and we get result as a output. Now next one is, children, device used as a pointing device. Device used as a pointing device. As we know, mouse is used as a pointing device. Mouse is used as a pointing device. So you will write here MOUSE, mouse. Mouse is used as a pointing device. Device used to get result on paper. Device used to get result on paper is printer. PRINTER, printer. Device used to get result on a paper is printer. Device used to listen to the song is speaker. Is speaker. Device used to type words is keyboard. Key, BOARD, board. KEY, key, BOARD, board. So these are the answers. Let us revise it once again, children. First question is the instructions given to the computer. The instructions given to the computer is called input. So whatever instruction we give to the computer, we call it as input. So here you will write input, INPUT, input. The instruction given to the computer is called input, INPUT, input. Then children, second one, the result we get from the computer is output. So whatever we get as a result after the processing of input is called output. So the result we get from the computer is output. Then next one, children, device used as a pointing device is called mouse. Device used as a pointing device is called mouse. Device used as a pointing device is called mouse. Then children, fourth one, device used to get result on paper is printer. Device used to get result on paper is printer. Device used to listen to the song is speaker. Speaker. Then last one is device used to type words is, device used to type words is keyboard. Is keyboard. So children, this is our last answer of question number B. Children, so we have done output and output devices today, and we have done self evaluation, and then question number A and B. So children, go through the topics which we have done today, and revise all the topics of this chapter, and learn the spellings also. So children, go through the chapter, learn the spelling, and come again in the next video with the doubts. So children, if you have any doubt, please you can clear these doubts in the online classes. So children, it is very important to know the spelling of different words which are used in the chapter, because if you don't know the spelling, you will never be able to write the correct answer. So children, it is very important to learn all the difficult words which are given in the chapter or which comes in the chapter. So children, with this we come to the end of the chapter. In our next video, we will revise whatever we did today, and then we will proceed further in the book exercise. So children, thank you.